My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches.
The first drops are going to be in about 30 minutes.
I got one! I'm back from retirement!
Here's about 1 minute before Supreme. We have Jordan 1 silver toes that are going to be dropping now. These are also going to be very limited.
Oh, what the hell? Oh, got one. Two.
That Jordan 1 release was pretty tough, but nevertheless we were able to get a bunch of pairs. Looks like a lot of people were struggling on this one, and I think that has something to do. Alright, I'm able to finally unbox the shoes that came in. These are the shoes that I've been getting over the past couple of weeks, starting off with the Dunks. We got two of these, one in a size 5Y and one in a size 11. Did see some people saying that the quality on these were trash, and I have to admit, it is not as good as the other Dunks. Usually when it comes to Dunks, the moment I hold them in my hands, I'm like, oh my goodness, this is amazing. But that's not exactly what happened for these. Next up, we have Jordan 14 clots. We got 3 of them that came in. Wow, these are beautiful. When I first saw these, I thought they were really nice, but I never would have imagined that this would have so much detail. This is awesome. Next up, we got Jordan 6 Carmines. We got 2 of these that came in, both men's sizes. Not much to say about these. It's a classic shoe. I'm not personally too crazy about Jordan 6s, but nevertheless, pretty nice. Last but not least, we do have a special package. This is not from a shoe company. This is actually from a bot company. You might know it. It's called Nebula. Oh my goodness. That is sick. And we got a hat. And we got a sweater. Anyways, huge thanks to Nebula for the package. Super dope stuff. Keep it up. Hopefully it's a bot that I'm going to be trying out soon. I've heard very good things about it, so might just give it a go one day. Anyways, we do have Dunks releasing again tomorrow. Not too many websites dropping. I'm gonna be trying my best. Let's do it. Alright, Snipes was kind of a fail on Prism. For Nike sneakers, we have a few more seconds before we get the results for the draw. That about sums it up. This release was pretty difficult to get, and there weren't many chances, to be honest. Only a couple of retailers really dropped them, but it's no big deal. I'm going to be trying to get more Nike accounts either today or tomorrow. Just don't feel like I'm running enough accounts. It's all good. I'm not too stressed about it. On to the next one. We got a few shoes that came in the mail today. I believe most of these are the Jordan 1 silver toes. Let's have a look at them. Oh man, these are fire. Comes with silver laces. Now this is gonna be a tough call whether or not I hold or sell these right away. Women Jordan 1s just don't go up in price all that quickly. So yeah, I'm not too sure. Next up, we have my personal pair. These are the love letters. Oh shoot, these are little hearts. I didn't even know that. Pretty excited to wear these. Tomorrow we do have some Blazers dropping and we have some Yeezys dropping. I don't know if I'm actually gonna go for the Yeezys, but for the Blazers, I'm definitely gonna try my best on those. However, those are, I believe, going to be pretty difficult to get. So, I don't know. We'll just have to see what ends up happening. Oh, and I forgot the Jordan 4s are also going to be dropping tomorrow as well. That's probably going to be the sneaker that I end up focusing on. Bro, that was such a fail. My keywords didn't even pick up, bro. Our easy supply just dropped. I'm only going for GS sizes, by the way. Alright, I kind of gave up on the Yeezys. My setup is extremely janky. Something that would normally take me several hours to do, I basically put together in like 20-30 minutes. Because of that, I've absolutely given up on Yeezy supply. I'm not even going to attempt the Blazers. I'm going to basically just 100% focus on the Jordan 4s since I'm absolutely limited on time. I barely got to set up. There are 2 minutes left on the clock before the Shopify releases and the foot sites and JD Sports. It's just a bit too much for the amount of time that I have. So all there really is left to do is hope for the best, and yeah, just hopefully we get something. Serious? What the heck? Invalid redirect? Oh, finally. Yes, dude. How, bro? Thank you. What can I say? That drop was absolutely trashed. On foot sites, it lasted for several hours and they barely dropped any stock. I guess that's kind of normal, but the fact that such a small amount of pairs were put out over such a long period of time is just like, nobody likes waiting around, you know, and I feel like if anything, this affects manual users even more so. So foot sites, please get it together. This is just not a pleasant experience for anybody. As far as the Yeezys go, I just didn't care enough about them really to go that hard. I wish I could have gotten a pair, but it's whatever. It's not a big deal for me. Wish I got some more Jordan 4s though. Was able to cop 2 from Shopify, and considering that I didn't really have any time to set up and it was kind of like a last minute thing, you know, I'll take it. The Jordan 4s came in. Let's have a look at them. Okay, not gonna lie, I like these better in the pictures way more so than in person. Doesn't usually happen, especially since this is basically like probably my favorite silhouette of all time, Jordan 4s. I don't know, maybe I overhyped them in my head or something, or maybe it's just not as good in person. I don't know, just my personal opinion. Yesterday we were able to buy a few shoes from some restocks, a nice little bonus, something that I wasn't really expecting. Today though, we do have a couple of drops. The first drop of the day is going to be Nike Dunk City Market. This is basically going to be a minor release, being that the stock numbers for these are going to be very, very low. Therefore, I'm not really expecting anything, but I'll hope for the best.
What are you talking about? Profile already used?
I'm not gonna lie, Balco was actually really good. Everything went through smoothly. I'm thinking this is just a case of there was too little stock and not enough to go around for everybody. I was so freaking close. I got to checking order. So close to getting one, man. Next drop is going to be a major release. We do have Supreme Dunks dropping on the Supreme website. As you know, I've been extremely bad at Supreme, and if I had to take a guess why, it would have to be because of my old address. Now that I moved to a different neighborhood, I'm hoping that I have a lot more luck this time. But since this is an extremely important release, anything can happen. Supreme is most definitely gonna do something funky with their anti-bot to try and throw off every reseller. Honestly, I feel like manual users will have a good chance at this, but regardless, hopefully we get at least something today.
Sold out? What? What do you mean? Oh, I have two on processing.
Hello? What the what's happening?
Ah, so many checkout failed.
Processing, come on. Whoa. Is that a ghost order? I have a charge from Supreme. I'm assuming this is one of the ones that said processing and like nothing ended up happening. Alright, I gotta check my emails. I checked all my emails and I didn't see anything. However, emails sometimes do tend to be delayed, so there is a chance that I was able to hit one. Basically, out of the bots that I've used and plan to use, none of them did very well except for Kodai. And Kodai, basically, I really didn't have that many tasks set up on that bot, so my chances were pretty slim. However, I do think I was able to scoop up one. We're gonna just hope that one day it just shows up to my house. That'll be sick. We are going to be running for restocks on these. Hopefully it goes well. We'll see what happens in the next 24 hours. Earlier today, there were some fat Supreme restocks. Unfortunately, the furthest I got was submitting payment, retrying payment, and that's about it. I kind of failed on the Supreme Dunks, and yeah, it just sucked, but it's okay. I am moving on to a very important drop, another one. We have Jordan 1 UNCs. Man, these are so freaking beautiful. We need as many as we can get. I'm preparing right now. We'll see how many we end up with on the next episode.